Get ready to have your mind blown. The animal kingdom is full of bizarre and unbelievable truths. And today, we're diving into 10 animal facts that sound completely made up, but are 100% real. First up, did you know a wombat's poop is cube-shaped? Seriously, these Australian marsupials produce about 80 to 100 little brown cubes every single day. They use these blocky droppings to mark their territory because they're flat-sided. The poop doesn't roll away, making them perfect little biological no trespassing signs. Nature is weirdly practical, isn't it? Next, let's talk about the immortal jellyfish. Yes, you heard that right, immortal. The Torotopsis dohrnii has a biological superpower. When it gets old, sick, or faces danger, it can revert back to its earliest stage of life, a polyp, and start its life cycle all over again. It's like hitting the reset button on aging. Imagine if we could do that after a really tough week. Of course, they can still be eaten or get diseases, so they're not truly invincible. But biologically, they have the potential to live forever. Now, hold on to your hats for this one. A flamingo is not naturally pink. They're actually born with dull gray feathers, so where does that fabulous pink color come from? Their diet. Flamingos feast on brine shrimp and blue-green algae, which are packed with a natural pigment called carotenoids, the same stuff that makes carrots orange and tomatoes red. So, a flamingo is a walking, squawking example of the phrase, "you are what you eat." Here's a fact that's tested a lot. A snail can sleep for 3 years. 3 years. Snails need moisture to survive, so if the weather isn't cooperating and it gets too dry, they can enter a state of hibernation called estivation. They seal themselves up in their shells with a layer of mucus and just wait it out, sometimes for years, until conditions are better. I think we've all felt like doing that on a Monday morning. Let's move from the slow to the super fast. The mantis shrimp has one of the most powerful punches in the entire animal kingdom. Its little clubs can accelerate faster than a .22 caliber bullet, striking with such force that it creates a shockwave that can stun or kill prey even if the punch misses. The water around the strike literally boils for a split second, a phenomenon called cavitation. These little guys are so strong, they have to be kept in special acrylic tanks in aquariums because they can easily shatter glass. Number 6 is a bit of a head-scratcher. An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 hearts work to pump blood through its gills, while a larger third heart circulates blood to the rest of its body. What's even stranger is that the main heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. Scientists think this is why they prefer to crawl along the ocean floor swimming. It's just too exhausting when your heart takes a break. Ever seen a goat with rectangular pupils? It's not a sci-fi movie, it's real. Goats, along with other grazing animals like sheep, have horizontal, rectangular pupils. This unique eye shape gives them an incredibly wide field of vision, around 320 to 340 degrees. This means they can see almost all the way around themselves without even moving their heads, which is super useful for spotting predators trying to sneak up on them. Now for a sweet fact. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep. This isn't just an adorable photo opportunity. It's a survival tactic. They create rafts of otters by linking up, often wrapping themselves in kelp as well, to prevent themselves from drifting away from their group in the open ocean while they're napping. It's cute, it's clever, and it's a testament to their social bonds. Here's one for the bird lovers. A hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward. Their wings are incredible feats of engineering. Instead of just flapping up and down like other birds, their wings rotate in a figure-8 pattern, allowing them to hover, fly forward, backward, side to side, and even upside down for short periods. They are the helicopters of the bird world, and they do it all while being incredibly tiny. And finally, our 10th fact is a truly grisly one. The female black widow spider is famous for eating her mate after they're done. But did you know a male praying mantis sometimes gets his head bitten off by the female asterisk during asterisk the act? And here's the creepy part. Even without his head, his body can finish the job. It turns out the nerves that control the mating process are in his abdomen. So losing his head doesn't stop him. It's a brutal world out there in the insect kingdom. So there you have it. 10 animal facts that prove reality is often stranger and more fascinating than fiction. From cube-shaped poop to immortal jellyfish, the world around us is full of wonders. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the weird side of nature, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts. See you next time!